Hello, welcome to Texture Myth. In this session, we will cover the further values from the RTVSYSVAL command. So in order to explain the same, I am taking this program in edit mode. Now here you can see that first of all we are declaring three variables here, and these variables you can declare by referring the IBM official website for RTVSYSVAL command. There you will get to know about the data type and the length of the variable. Okay, once the variable declaration is done, now we are good to hit the command, and we just need to write RTVSYSVAL, then press F4, and here on this screen you need to pass two values. One is the value name which you want to retrieve from the system, and another one is the variable name where we will hold those value. Okay, now if you want to know about more about this value, like what value is this and how we exactly we are getting from it, so in that case you can press F1 on this field, and then you will reach to this screen where you will find all the possible values that we can retrieve from this command. Okay, now these are the values that we have already covered in our previous session, and today we are going to discuss about this value, which is QDSPSGNINF, which means controls the display sign-on information. Changes made to the system value take effect immediately. So here the expected output is 0 and 1, where 0 means the sign-on information is not displayed and 1 means the sign-on information is displayed. Okay. Now the second value we are going to discuss is QDYNPTYADJ, which means dynamic priority adjustment. Here it is mentioned Q dynamic priority adjustment system value controls whether the priority of an interactive job is dynamically adjusted to maintain high performance of the batch job processing. This adjustment capability is only effective on a system that are rated for both interactive and non-interactive throughput and have dynamic priority scheduling enabled. A change to this value takes effect at the next cycle. So what are the possible values for this? 0, which means the dynamic priority adjustment support is turned off, and the 1 means the dynamic priority adjustment support is turned on. Okay. Now the third value we are going to discuss is QDYNPTYSCD, which means dynamic priority scheduler. So the dynamic priority scheduler system value controls the dynamic priority scheduler algorithm. The value allows the user the use of the dynamic priority scheduling, where 0 means dynamic priority scheduler is off and 1 means dynamic priority scheduler is on. So these are the description of these value that we are going to discuss today. Now we just need to copy that value which we want to retrieve, and then just simply go and paste it here with the variable where you want to hold the output. Okay, likewise I am doing for the other two values, just simply writing the RTVSYSVAL, then passing the value name and their variable. So after these three lines got processed, line number 16, 18 and 20, we will retrieve the value in these respective variable. So once the variable contains the value, now we are good to print the value. So for printing the value, you can write sndpgmsg, then pass the variable name inside that. Okay, so likewise I'm doing it for the other two values also. As these variables are already of type character, so there is no need of any conversion, we can directly pass to it. So now I'm compiling it and let's see the output. So the first output is 0. Second one, which 0 means the sign of is information is non-displayed. 1 means dynamic priority adjustment is on, and another one is means the dynamic priority scheduler is also on. So this is how you can utilize the RTVSYSVAL command for retrieving the values in the respective variables. I hope it is clear to all of you. That's all for this session. In the upcoming session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Texture Myth.